There are no negatives in life, only challenges to overcome that will make you stronger. Hi everyone, welcome to Divya Zoo class. Today I am going to explain fish culture system. What is fish culture? Fish culture is the process of raising desirable species of fishes. Let's classification of fish culture system. They are classified into four major categories, that is based on the culture, based on enclosure, based on the density, based on the integration. The first one is on the basis of culture, that is monoculture, polyculture, monosex culture, polysex culture. On the basis of enclosure, that is pond fish culture, cage fish culture, pen or enclosure fish culture. On the basis of density, intensive fish farming system, semi-intensive fish farming system, extensive fish farming system. On the basis of integration, pig cum fish farming, duck cum fish farming, hardy crop cum fish farming, paddy cum fish farming. The first one we are going to learn about monoculture. Raising only one species of fishes is available in water body. Example, tilapia. What is monosex culture? Mono, the word it refer one. So raising of either male or female of single fish species. It is practiced to maintaining breeding male and female fishes. Now, what are the advantage and disadvantage of monoculture and monosex culture? Advantage in the sense, we know that feeding is easier for a single species due to uniform feeding habit. Disadvantage, we know that market supply cannot be fulfilled and more risky. And what is polyculture? Culturing two or more than two species of fishes on same water body. Example, rearing of big head carp and grass carp. Polysex culture. Either male or female or two or more species is reared. Example, male of rogu, neni and bargu on same pond. What are the advantage? Yield per unit area is higher, less risky. And disadvantage, cultivation practiced is difficult, costly and labor intensive. And we know that we are going to see about some examples of cage or pen culture, intensive fish culture, semi-intensive, extensive and integrated. We can see about cage and pen culture. What is cage culture? Cage culture is the system in which cage is introduced into water body of which all four sides are enclosed. It may be reared into some height from bottom. And what is pen culture? It is system in which cage is introduced in water body which used pond bottom as one side and remaining three sides are enclosed. It always touch bottom of pond. The next one is intensive fish culture. It has high density of culture organism as totally depend on artificial formulated feed. And the next one is semi-intensive culture. In this culture is more prevalent and involves rare small ponds with high stocking density. And next one is extensive fish culture. The extensive fish farming system is the least managed form of fish farming in which little care is taken. And the next one is integrated fish culture. It is the system of producing fish combination with other agriculture livestock farming operation centered around the fish pond. Already we know that pig cum fish farming and duck cum fish farming, horticulture, and another one paddy cum fish farming. I hope that you can understand what is fish culture and what are the management of fish culture. Thank you.